Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make video autoplay on Shopify. First, access your Shopify admin dashboard. From there, navigate to Online Store and then click on Themes. Next, find the theme you wish to modify. Click the Actions button, which will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Edit Code to access your themes files. This is where we will begin our modifications. Now that you are in the code editor, you need to locate the relevant liquid file containing your video. Often, this will be a file named Section Video. Liquid, Product Template, Liquid, or similar. Use the search bar to quickly find these files. Once you open the correct file, carefully scan the code to identify the exact HTML video tag that corresponds to the video you want to set to autoplay. This is the core step. Within your identified HTML video tag, you will add 4 essential attributes. First, include autoplay to enable automatic playback. Second, add loop if you want the video to repeat continuously. Third, and very important for browser compatibility, add muted to ensure the video plays without sound initially. Finally, include place inline for proper display on mobile devices. After adding the attributes, it is time to save your changes. Click the Save button in the top right corner of the code editor. Then, navigate to your live Shopify store and preview the page where your video is located. It is crucial to clear your browser's cache to ensure you are seeing the most recent version. Test the autoplay functionality thoroughly across at least 3 different browsers and 2 mobile devices for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.